Good afternoon, everybody. This is Kyle at Kaywood Honda here in Port Huron, Michigan. Today I want to show you this 2016 Chevy Silverado. It's got a crew cab. Body's in excellent condition. Looks like brand new tires. LT trim level. You have your towing package here. Soft tonneau cover. Let's take a look in the back. Very clean, WeatherTech's all around. Very nice. This is a non-smoker. Your power windows, power locks, power seat, steering wheel controls, 4-wheel drive, only 72,000 miles. Now, Kyle at Kaywood Honda in Port Huron, Michigan. You can go to our website at kaywoodauto.com. Thank you for watching.